Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to empty recycle bin when you restart shutdown and log out of your PC. Type Notepad in Windows search bar, click Notepad. Type PowerShell.exe space, -no profile space, -command space, clear -recycle bin space, -force. Click File, click Save file location, file name, save as type to all files. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Windows settings under User Configuration in. Click Scripts, open Log Off. Add and browse newly created bat file. Click Apply, click OK. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type gp update space, /force. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.